Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Bluetooth mouse to your iPad. Begin by ensuring your iPad's operating system is at least version 13, then open the Settings application. Tap on Bluetooth and toggle the switch to the on position, making your iPad discoverable. Next, visit the accessibility settings and confirm that Assistive Touch is enabled. This is crucial for mouse functionality. Now that your iPad's Bluetooth is active, activate the pairing mode on your mouse. This usually involves pressing and holding a small button on the mouse's underside until an indicator light flashes. On your iPad, within the Bluetooth settings, you will see your mouse appear under Other Devices. Tap its name to connect. A small pop-up may ask for confirmation or a code, which is typically 4 zeros or 6 zeros. With your mouse connected, you can now personalize its behavior for a better experience. Head back to Accessibility, then Pointer Control to adjust the tracking speed of your cursor. You can also customize primary and secondary button functions to suit your workflow, perhaps assigning a common task to a specific click. Feel free to experiment with the pointer's size and color to enhance visibility or toggle natural scrolling for comfort. If you encounter issues, first check your mouse's power source. Fresh batteries or a full charge often resolve disconnections. If your iPad cannot find the mouse, try toggling Bluetooth off and on again. For persistent problems, navigate to the Bluetooth settings, tap the information icon next to your mouse, and select Forget this device, then restart the pairing process. Always ensure your mouse is designed to be compatible with iPad OS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.